So this is the second appeal for Vybz Kartel since the fresh evidence has been presented in the Court of Appeal and accepted. Vybz Kartel will not be walking free next week, this month July, August, September, nor October. Yeah, him have a chance in a December because of the process where the appeal takes. So all me did have my hopes I and say yo the teacher soon get free and all of that. The teacher get free in another month and be things, but no, true me never really know say yo the process is a long process. And I know say all the Gaza fans them hopes did I also say the teacher get free in another month and all of that because the fresh evidence represented. Everything did look good, but the whole process made the thing take long. Vybz Kartel and Sean Storm's attorney accused DPP of misconduct. The attorney of incarcerated entertainer Sean Storm of charge that there was an prosecutorial misconduct during his murder trial and have criticized the director of public prosecution. So what really going on this morning is that Bert Samuels, Sean Storm lead attorney, going to court this morning and him argued the misconduct, say the jury advised the presiding judge to continue the trial knowing that one of the jurors was allegedly trying to bribe his colleagues for Lego the man them. Samuels, citing transcripts from the murder trial, noted that Justice Lennox Campbell inquired of prosecutors and defense attorneys can we possibly continue with the trial or bring it to an end after learning of the allegedly $500,000 bribe. So what go on now is that the $500,000 bribe there are going to make the trial take longer, and one of the jury of them did want the trial for just continue and go to an end, which that can't go on. The trial can't continue and them thing they are going bribery.
Real misconduct. That's the charge being leveled against government lawyers as the appeal for Vybz Kartel and his co-accused got underway in the Court of Appeal this morning. Attorney at law Bert Samuels raised concerns this morning that the jury was allowed to deliberate despite the fact that one juror was trying to bribe other members of a jury panel. Mr. Samuels argued that the Director of Public Prosecutions, Paula Llewellyn, advised the trial judge not to discontinue the case despite knowing that the jury was tainted.
Rules and regulation to this thing. The case can't continue. The trial can't continue with misconduct day and night, with your tribe bribe a man day and night. No, that is misconduct. So the trial can't continue with that day and night.
That the DPP was prepared to have the appellants tried by a jury that was not transparent. Mr. Samuels pointed out that the DPP has a duty as Minister of Justice to ensure someone is tried by an impartial jury. He said the DPP failed to use her powers to see that justice was done in this case.
Jano, the DPP failed to use her powers to make sure that justice is done in the case, done in the appeal, in the whole process. She feel that if the lawyer never noticed one of the jury them did the bribing, the case would have no justice. There would be no justice if the lawyer never noticed that. So bribing in the Court of Appeal today, misconduct. So all is done and said on Vybz Kartel appeal update today. Misconduct and bribing, them just need to get things together in the whole process. Things just forget together in the whole process. In a December them time there, hopefully the world boss get free up. Keep the prayers going. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and the bell icon beside of it. Give this video a thumbs up. Also follow me on IG if you haven't at Just Vybz TV. Catch you later.